What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a makeup Monday and it's our first makeup Monday, so welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today we're going to be doing my foundation routine. Yes, my hair is still wrapped up, but it's all good. And if you hear my son in the background, he doing what he doing. I don't know. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my whole face. And I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime in Natural Radiance, and this has a pink glitter in it and it's really good and I love it. Then I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation and it has been my absolute favorite. There was one point where I was like, oh my god, I hate this product, and that was when I was using the CoverGirl Queen collection, but this right here, y'all, go ahead and get you some. Oh, and you guys, this is a Sigma E60 brush. If y'all watched my videos back in 2015, then you know that I got this set 2 years ago. So I've been using the same set of brushes for 2 years now, and they don't shed, they still work. I don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to be blending all of my products out with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and this is my favorite. I like it better than Beauty Blender because it's so soft compared to the Beauty Blender, which is kind of like a rough texture. I don't like it, okay? And then I'm gonna add another layer because, like I said in the description, this is a buildable foundation, and since I'm going out tonight, I'm building, and it's cold out here, so I ain't about to sweat it off either. I forgot. My loofah fell off. Look at that. That means it's time for me to go get another one, but till then, I need to figure out how to use this. So I gotta get ghetto with it. Does it work? No. I eventually figured my life out, but I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is my absolute favorite, and I need to go buy some more. Even though it's like kind of expensive, it's bomb.com. Very blendable, easy to blend. You don't have to worry about nothing. Then, like before, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all out with my makeup sponge. Now it's time to set my face, and I'm going to be using NYX Set It Don't Fret It, and this is a mineral setting powder and I absolutely love it. There's no flashback if you do it right. There's always going to be flashback if you don't do it right, just to let you know. And I'm going to apply it with my makeup sponge, and this has been the best way for me to apply my setting powder without getting flashback. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and buff it all out with the MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural Deep Golden. And this is to make sure I don't have any harsh lines, lines of demarcation, or anything. So yeah. Fresh face shawty, fresh face shawty. Alright guys, I am done with my foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe found some new products to try out that I've used. I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Make sure to tune into my highlight and contour routine because that will also be posted today, just a little later. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope your New Year's was lit AF. I hope it was so lit, and let's go into 2018 lit and doing things the right way. You feel what I'm saying? Alright y'all, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Actually, go watch the highlight and contour routine right now. So go to the next video.